Hello and welcome. I'm Miriam Larici.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo.
In this video, we'll show you the technique of one of the most useful moves in Argentine tango.
The cross, or in Spanish, la cruzada.
Before we start with the lesson, if you are new to the channel, we would like to invite you to subscribe to it.
And please activate the bell notification so you never miss new content. Now, let's jump into the dance floor. Okay, welcome back. We are going to work in the cruzada like we were mentioning. Now, how do we do the cruzada? Let me show you from the side. We are going to start up with body weight on the left leg. Yes? We are going to cross the right front. Here is the technique. When we cross, we are going to start rolling from your toes down to your heel. At the same time that we are rolling from the toes to the heel, we are going to be displacing the leg on the back. So it means transfer body weight to your right and displace your left. If you notice, I'm trying to keep open position on my feet. Yes? So let me try with the other leg. We're going to do this. Crossing, big toe first on the floor. We roll from the toes and we extend the right leg on the back. So it feels very much almost like a Michael Jackson moonwalk because we are displacing the back leg with the front leg. Yes? Now let me show you from the side. Now we're going to do this. Crossing the toes so you can see it from here. And we are going to roll from the toes down to the heel. Roll. If you notice, my heel is a little bit open. So when we transfer body weight, we end up in an open position on the front foot. Yes? Let me show you in front of the camera. Chuk chuk. We are crossing ankles together, but be careful, don't close too much because it will look not right. So I'm opening a little bit the heel, just a tiny bit. So when we roll and we transfer body weight, we open, we end up in an open position. I will do it with the other leg. Crossing, big toe, and I will leave the position open at the end. While we displace the other one. Now we're going to do an exercise to keep the speed of this exercise. Yes? We're going to try to keep it counting. Now I will show it to you in front and then I will rotate so you can follow me as well. So the exercise will be like this. We go change of weight and we go 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now follow me and we are going to do this together. Okay, we are going to cross with the left leg, number 8 in front of the other one. So we are going to do 5, 6, 7, cross 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3, 4 feet together.
Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.